So, do you like the top or do you prefer the bottom? There's two ways to make Apple Pan Dowdy, you naughty. I wonder what happened to Captain Bread Hook and Jessie Cheesecake. They're missing. I know, both their spaceships are gone. Captain Bread Hook went to save Jessie on that alien planet. The one with the apples on top is from the Boston Cooking School cookbook, which was first published in 1896. We have the 1941 edition. Put 2 cups of apples, peeled and sliced, into a well-buttered baking dish. Sprinkle on top a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We have some real nutmeg left over from when we made Marcus Waring's tart. Check out that video. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Bake them until they're soft. Our skinny pieces took 20 minutes. Whee! Whee! Gadzooks! What else is in here? Pretty, oh so pretty. Oh gee willikers, I'm charming, quite charming. Cream together a 1/4 cup of butter. It's so little, isn't it cute? 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 egg. And all of these should be at room temperature so they dance well together. Then alternate in your dry and your wet just like a cake. That's 1½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, sift it in, and 1/2 cup of milk. Smooth out your batter in a buttered baking dish, the pretty one. Spoon the soft apple slices on top and then bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Nope, not ready. There you go. Mother of pearl, we've got a systems failure, Jessie. I need you to go out and patch that panel ASAP. Jeez Louise, I'm a cheesecake mouse, not an engineer. But fine, hand me the duct tape. Bah! You serve this version with hard sauce. That's just soupy frosting. And according to Willa Frida's cookbook, it's got booze in it. Whiskey, bourbon, rum. But we use vanilla extract this time. You might want to step on it, Jessie. Done! Punch it! Oh, wait for me to get in. And this version has apples on the bottom, just like my mom's peach cobbler. Card somewhere. Just click on it and you'll be able to watch it after this video. In your favorite saucepan, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Whisk that all around. Prevents lumps. 1 cup of water with 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. Cook this on low heat until it thickens. That'll happen around 180, 200 degrees. There'll be a distinct path behind your spatula and it'll form like a ribbon on top. Pour this over 6 cups of sliced apples that are spread out in a well-buttered baking dish. I'm attractive, get attractive, tractor beam, attractive. What the heck now? I cracked myself up. That lunatic hooked us with a tractor beam. Looks like she's not done with the games yet. For the topping, it's got its own magic too. Sift together 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to do it by hand with this simple pastry cutter. Cut in 2½ tablespoons of cold butter. Stir in 3/4 cup of milk. Those lumps are the butter, and they're going to add to the flakiness. Spoon it over the apples and bake for 40 minutes. The tops will turn a golden brown. Look at that bubble. Is that not sexy or what? And serve this with sweetened whipped cream with nutmeg. And we left the recipe in the description for you. Guess I'm not such a